Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect. If you are new to my channel, click on subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you are keen to learn how to start a crochet, that is the first step, how to make a slip knot. I will tell you in a very easy way how to make a slip knot. One is using a hook and one is using the fingers. If you are a beginner, I will let you know how to select the crochet hook. First of all, select the yarn which is little bit thicker, not the fine, little bit coarse yarn which is easy to handle. First we will start with how to select the crochet hook. I am using this hook, but the yarn is not fitting, it is coming out of the hook. This means this hook is not okay. If I am taking little bit thicker hook, the yarn goes inside it. That is also the not good hook for this yarn. We can't do crochet with this. If I am using this third hook, you will see the yarn is perfectly fitting in this hook. That is means this hook is perfectly suitable for this yarn. Or you can see the hook number on the yarn. If not, then you can select the hook according to this method. Now let's start. Take the tip of the yarn like this. If you are right-handed crocheter, hold the thread like this in your thumbs up and the index finger. You have to take the yarn like this, rotate the yarn over the index finger and hold the thread, tip of the thread between the middle finger and your thumb, and then take the crochet hook in the right hand and you move the yarn like this. And this is the slip knot, which is the first step of crocheting. Once again, see, hold the yarn between move the yarn over the index finger and hold it between the middle finger and the thumbs up. Then put the hook and rotate the yarn like this, and this is the slip knot. This is the first step for the hook. And the second method is you have to hold the yarn in the right hand between thumbs up and first two fingers and tip of the yarn with left hand index finger and thumbs up, and you have to take the yarn out of that. This is how slip knot is made. These are the two easiest methods to make the slip knot. Now we will start making the chain. You have to hold the yarn like this. There are the different methods. If you are not comfortable, you can rotate the yarn over your finger and then slowly you can release the yarn. Like this, you have to rotate on your finger and slowly you can release the yarn. Once you will learn the crochet, then you will find the grip of the yarn. Hold the hook like this. The hook should be pointed. Point of the hook should be like this, and it should not be very tight and very loose. If it is very loose, your chain will be loose and your first step will be very tight and yarn will move in a hook like this. Then you have to take a hook and rotate like this. First the hook facing towards right and then towards left, and you have to take this out from the knot. This is the first chain, how it is made. Again you have to put a yarn over hook and move and take it out this, and you see that yarn is easily moving in a hook. It should not be very tight and very loose. It should be comfortable one, and again it should move and take the hook like this. This is how you have to make the chains for your project. If you like this video and you can learn, I am able to make you learn how to make a slip knot and a chain in a very easy method. Please like my video and share it with your friends who are keen to learn crocheting. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel also. Thank you so much.